Have you experienced the problem of large size document when you are uploading it online? In this video, I'm going to show you two options for how you can reduce the size of document to the size you want. First option, open your web browser. Then type online to PDF in search. When it is displayed, click on this link online PDF converter. This is the interface of online to PDF. You can convert your file to PDF. You can edit, unlock, merge PDF files. You can export PDF files to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, and much more. We want to reduce the size of our document. You scroll down and click on Select File. I have different files here. I'm going to reduce the size of this file with 674 kilobytes. You open it and then click on Completion. You scroll down and here on quality of the image, click on this down arrow head. Try to choose the lower quality of the image. And as you know, the lower quality, the lower size. Let's choose medium quality. Do the same on resolution of image. The lower resolution, the lower size. Let's click on this down arrow head, then choose medium resolution. Here is the name of the document. Click Convert. Wait for your document to be converted and downloaded. Now our document is resized with 152 kilobytes. You can convert as many documents as you want. You click on Convert Other File, select the file, choose the file you want to convert, open it. Make sure that you have selected completion. Choose the quality of the image. You can choose the lower quality to get the lower size. Choose the lower resolution. You can choose the lower resolution to get the lower size. Then click Convert. Wait for your document to be converted. Now our document is converted with 87 kilobytes. Second option, we are going to reduce the size of image. Open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, click on this plus sign. Then click on Add Photo and Files. Choose the photo you want to reduce its size. Then click Open. You wait it to be uploaded and type reduce the size of this picture to 99 kilobytes. Then click on this arrow to display. Wait for your picture to be resized. Now our picture is resized. Click on Download Resized Photo. Then ChatGPT will automatically download our picture. By default, The file will be in downloads. Open your file explorer, open downloads, then your picture, the size is now here with 95 kilobytes. If you find this video important, please hit subscribe button, like and share. And if you have something to tell us, please don't hesitate to comment. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in next video.